guys, and welcome back to my video. So we are going to be doing the December Liveglam unboxing, unbagging. I really don't, everybody says unboxing, but this is really unbagging, opening, whatever you may call it, for December. It's like another year gone. So I've been with, I guess, Liveglam for little over a year now. Either I started like last November or last December, I think. I'm not really sure. I think so. And for the last year, I've loved this. It's been such a great subscription. I've built my brush, let me get that out right, collection up. It's with a lot of good Morphe brushes. You don't really ever get dupes, or not dupes, you don't get like doubles and stuff like that, which is really good. And really, if you do, especially with eyeshadow brushes, it don't bother me because I want all the eyeshadow brushes I can have. I love brushes. Most of the time I do my foundation with my brushes, but I'm very picky about it. It has to be like one of the, like, there's two brushes, excuse me, that I will use. And they're both by Morphe. They're the kabuki type, but I love them. Morphe has some other foundation brushes. I just don't like them, but them two are my favorite. I can't remember the numbers, but I love them. But now the flat ones, and I don't know, I don't like them. Seems like they streak. A lot of brushes I find streak your foundation, and you still have to go in with your beauty blender and smooth it out. I don't want to have to do the job twice. So I want to do it once and be done with it. But I use my beauty blender a lot too, so just depends on, I guess, what kind of mood I'm in. I think with a beauty blender, you get a more, like, full coverage, and with a brush, not so much. Seems like, I don't know what happens. But with the two that I use, I get the full coverage I'm looking for and don't really have no problems. Okay, so this is what our bag looks like. And Slay the Season is the theme. We don't want to look at the brushes. So this was the biggest brush. Okay, so it is the Morphe M442, and it is a duo fiber buffer brush, and it is to create medium to heavy coverage effortlessly with the dense duo fiber buffer brush as one of Santa's faves. This brush is an ideal for applying and blending powder or like liquid products to your face and body. Around to open it. Now I've got a lot of the duo fiber brushes. Some I like, some I don't. So here's what it looks like. And it's shorter than the normal ones. But this, like, I don't know. I really don't know, like, if I'd get a lot of use out of this brush or not. But we will see. Also, sometimes, like, certain foundation or powder brushes, I don't use for nothing but buffering. Like, I do my foundation, do my concealer, and then when I start with my contour, or bronzer, or blush, I like to really just go in there and buff everything together to make it look like it just belongs together. Okay. So this one is the Morphe R36. And it is like the one with the little rose gold and the black. It kind of looks like a highlighter brush, which it probably is. I got a lot of new highlighter brushes this month. Okay, so this was the one, 2, 3, 6. This is the pointed well, I'm losing my voice. The pointed highlight brush. Deck your face with pounds of highlight. This flared tapered natural brush sweeps highlight precisely where you want it to get the holiday glow. So, now, I like a highlighter brush like this, about this size and about this dense, because I really like to go in not too wide. I used brush today that was a little bit wider than I want, and it, I don't know, it seems like you go higher than you want, and I like to get right up in here. And then if you use a bigger brush, it seems like it just goes on up. But I know I will get plenty of use out of this because I like to put pounds of highlighter on too. Okay. Our next brush is the Glam 514. And it is the detailed round blender. This Slater brush is the best gift for your makeup collection, with a dome tip, great for blending out transition colors and defining the crease. Now see, that's what I would use for a crease brush, because I really like a smaller brush for my crease, so I can get the exact, like, really if I'm going in for a certain angle. So this brush will be perfect for that. And our last brush is the Morphe 456. Here lately, I've noticed we've been getting more eyeshadow brushes, and I am loving that. Normally, we don't get this many eyeshadow brushes. That's what I mean, eyeshadow brushes. Normally, we don't get a lot of eyeshadow brushes, and we got more face brushes. Me, personally, I always want more eyeshadow brushes because, you know, when you're doing your look, you need different brushes. Sometimes you need the same brush, but you already got one color on it, and you really don't want to put in, you don't want to use it again, because you can mess your colors up. But I always like having a lot of eyeshadow brushes. And so this one is the mini firm blending brush. Yeah, because it's mini. It's really flat. This petite brush may look like it's perfect for an elf, but it's also great for detailed blending work, and babes who have smaller eyes. Which, I don't know, like, right in here, this would really, you could put, like, really angle that, and really good. Or you could use it for, like, putting sparkles or glitter on your eyes, because it looks like it'd pick it up really good. Or really, like, get in here. But I would think I would like right here. So these brushes both, I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of. Probably all of them. Just not really sure about this one. It may work perfect. I don't know. Got to give it a chance. So that is all the brushes we got. This does cost $19.99 a month, and you always get normally around $30 worth of brushes. I do not know the prices of the brushes. I did not look them up because I didn't look at them. Normally, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But you, like, you pay $19.99 a month, and you get 3 to 7 brushes, and they're normally around $30 worth of brushes, which probably ain't bad. I mean, you probably could get, if you want to spend $20 on brushes, and for exact brushes, it might be better to get on Morphe and buy $20 worth of brushes that you want. But I like being surprised, I guess. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to continue on with Liveglam. I love it. There's nothing wrong with it. But my brush collection is, like, so huge that I had to put a box of brushes up. And I've got like, sitting right there is like 5 containers of brushes. I've got 2 here. Then I've got a bunch that ain't even in containers. So I don't know if I really need to continue or not, because I do have probably way too many brushes. But it is a really good subscription. I will leave the link down below if you would like to try it for yourself. When you use someone's code, it's like a friend's code, you will get a free brush, and I will get some points to go towards me a brush. Because, I don't know, Morphe makes some really, to me, some of the greatest brushes there are. I prefer them over about anything. But that's me. Someone else may have a different opinion. I just really like my Morphe brushes the best. When I'm going to go do my eyes or about anything on my face, I pick my Morphe brushes over anything. But I guess that is it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And so you can know when I upload, which is 3 days a week, which is Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. Sometimes I do bonus videos, like when I have these subscription boxes coming in. And I am going to be sticking to my schedule. I'm not going to be off. I had some stuff going on for a few months, and now I am like be able to stick to my schedule and not have to worry about other stuff. So I will be uploading at least 3 days a week, sometimes more. But I guess I will see you guys in the next one, and you guys have a good one.